Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to move a file within a created folder on Microsoft Teams for Office 365 web-based on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Office 365, can be for work, school or business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to your web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case, go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left hand side navigation menu or go to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on all applications. Navigate to Teams. Wait for that to load. Now go to Teams. Within Teams, go to a channel. Let's just go to Files. And now let's create a new folder. Let's just call this Images. Create, and there we see the images folder is now done. So we can now click on the image and move to the images folder. Let's now click on the images folder, and so the image itself has now moved to the images folder within files. Go back to general, go back to images, click on the image itself. Yes, so we can now quit Google Chrome. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.